Yes, so we are on this attract model, and we're trying to understand is what are the next thing in the attract model that will help you to achieve or attract more success or career success. We are not chasing the success; we're actually attracting the success. So with having the bigger ambition and trusting our ambition, allocating the time to make stuff happen for your life, making the results. We had a very interesting chat now. Results, like making sure that you actually produce the results, not only work on the efforts but actually produce the results, creating the army around you so that it's not only you, there are a couple of people along with you looking or working with you to help you bring more opportunities, bring more skill set for you to make the stuff happen for you and your career. And next thing in this journey is a commitment. Now many people, when they think about commitment, they think like this: we all make plans, we make a plan on Monday, or let's say some of the people, and they think about making a plan on Monday, let's say they postpone it, and many stuff happens, but they're only at the planning stage. What really happens is, like if we are not committed to our career success, it is not going to come to us, quite simply because success needs attention. Write this down: success needs attention. If you are not paying attention to success, it is not going to come to you. Opportunities, you need to pay attention to the opportunities, which are the right opportunities, so that you should be visible to the opportunities. At the same time, be equipped with the skill set. Now many of you must be familiar with this story from Mahabharata, where the Arjuna was there, and they were all in a training session, and Dronacharya asked everybody what they see, and everybody else explains, let's say they see some tree, or maybe branches or the sky and everything, and it was the only Arjun who said, I can see the eye of the bird. So that sort of focus I'm talking about. Reason being, whenever you're thinking about career success, or making move in your career, attracting some sort of jobs for you or new career opportunity for you, start focusing on them, because the moment you start to focus, that's where the things will start to happen. And I'm such a strong believer of the focus. Like you might have seen my t-shirt, actually I got it printed to the focus, because I don't want to miss the focus. The moment I'm focused, I start to see the opportunities, and whenever the opportunities are there, the more focused I am, the more opportunities I could pinpoint in my direction. So that is what the commitment I'm talking about. Now let me give you an example. And now this is another of my client. He based in North America, and he approached me saying that he wants to achieve certain career success, but maybe he's not able to achieve those. So we worked on only simple thing, that is a commitment, that what he is doing at person. That moment Vipul was doing many other things, maybe attending some classes, working in the business, working in his career. He had some business idea he's thinking in his mind, and along with the family. So while all those things are happening to him, he's not able to see any particular success happening to him, simply because he is not committed to what really the priority is. So in that session, when I worked with him, and I think I only had one session with him, we managed to put down or pinpoint what exactly matters. And there are many things you will see matters to us, but there are only certain things that matters big. So figure out which are the these things which matters most for you in your career. So figure out those big things and start focusing on only them. When you achieve the big things, many times the smallest thing will take care by itself. So focus on the big things, focus on the big achievements and these priorities. The moment you focus on the big things to happen for you in your career, you will see you're actually making a progress. And whenever you're making a progress, you feel happiness, you feel confident, and at the same time you are showing your commitment for your career success, and things will start to happen for you. So the only suggestion from me, from my side to you, like have a commitment to what you're thinking of achieving, in your career. Now, yeah, that's what about commitment.